Okay, for this subtest, I want you to look at this racetrack, draw a line all the way around the track. The car can go around the track in either direction. Stay in the gray part of the track, and once you start your line, do not lift your pen from the paper until you get to the end. Put your booklet in a comfortable position and leave it in that position while you make that line. Go. Remember, do not lift your pen until you reach the end of the gray path. Remember, do not turn your booklet as you draw. Okay, now look, this time the racetrack curves. Draw a line all the way around the racetrack. The car can go around the track in either direction. Keep your line in the gray part of the track and don't lift your pen until you finish. Look at the page in front of you. You will see one shape at the top of the page and 3 other shapes below it. Find the shapes down here. The shapes that you are looking for down here might be bigger, smaller, darker, or lighter than the shape at the top. They might be turned on their sides or upside down, or they may be hidden in the drawing. There may be more than one image that has a shape like the one at the top. Which of these images at the bottom have the same shape as the drawing as the top?
C.
Let's try another one. Which of the images at the bottom are like the shape at the top?
A.
Let's try another one.
A and F.
Let's try another one.
B.
Okay, let's try another one.
E.
Let's try another one.
C.
Okay, let's try another one.
C.
Okay, we'll do subtest 3. Look at this page. See all the boxes? Each box has a drawing in the top half and nothing in the bottom half. I want you to draw the figure that you see up here in the top part of the box, down here in the blank space. When you draw your figure, make sure that it stays inside the box and doesn't touch the sides of the box. You may not erase. Begin your drawings with the first one. When you have completed the first row, move to the bottom row. Then there are more drawings on the next page. Continue drawing until I tell you to stop or come to the end. Alright. Subtest 4. Look at the drawing at the top of the page. Now look at the drawings down here. Someone did not finish these drawings. Try to imagine what they would look like if they were finished. If they were finished, which one of these drawings would look exactly like the drawing at the top?
B.
Okay, let's try another one. If these drawings at the bottom were finished, which one would look exactly like the top?
C.
Let's try another one. If these drawings at the bottom are finished, which one would look exactly like the top?
C and E.
Let's try another one. If these drawings at the bottom are finished, which one would look exactly like the top?
D.
Let's try another one. If these drawings at the bottom, which one of these would look exactly like the top?
E.
Let's try another one. If these drawings at the bottom are finished, which one would look exactly like the top?
B.
Let's try another one. If these drawings at the bottom, which one of these would look exactly like the top?
E and D.
Let's try another one. If these drawings at the bottom are finished, which one of these would look exactly like the top?
C.
Subtest 5.
I want you to make a trail by drawing a line through the numbers circled in order. That is, draw a line from 1 to 2 to 3 and so on. You can draw through the circles. Continue drawing until you reach the circle marked an end. Try not to touch any circles without numbers. Do it as fast as you can without making any mistakes. Ready? Go. No. Go from here to here, and then to here next. You must touch each one and do them in order. Okay, so go from here. Okay, very good. Very good. I want to see how fast you can make different marks inside these shapes. Look up here at the top of the page. See the two lines drawn inside the big circle and the X inside the little square. See it? So there's a line there and an X there. Nothing is drawn in either the big square or the little circle. Now take your pen and make two lines in the big circle. Very good. And then an X in the little square. Good. And then try to keep your marks inside the box, inside the shapes. Okay. Good. Now look at example B. This time I want you to do the same thing, but do it as fast as you can. Go from left to right. Don't do all of the big circles you see first, then the small squares. Do them in order. If you make your mark in the error, just keep going. Try to keep your marks inside the shapes. Okay, go ahead, whenever you're ready. Very good. Okay, when I say turn the page, you're going to see the same shapes. Wait until I say go, and then make as many marks as you can. Now remember to mark the shape with big circles with two lines and small squares with X's. You're set? Do them in order. Try to keep your marks inside of the shapes. Go as fast as you can, and I'm going to give you 1 minute, and then I will say stop. Ready? Go. Seconds. Stop. Very good. Look at this page. See the drawing at the top of the page? Mm-hmm. And then do you see those shapes at the bottom of the page? Which of these shapes down here are found in the drawing at the top of the page?
A and D.
Mm-hmm. Go to point them. Okay, very good. The shapes in the drawing will be the same size as the shapes at the bottom. All right, so let's do another one. Which of these shapes down here are found in the drawing at the top of the page?
B.
Mm-hmm.
E.
Mm-hmm.
D.
Very good. Oh, let's do another one. Which of these shapes down here are found in the drawing at the top of the page?
C.
Mm-hmm.
G.
Mm-hmm.
H.
Okay.
And F.
Okay. Very good. Let's try another one. Which of these shapes down here are found at the bottom, at the drawing at the top of the page?
G and C.
Good. Let's try another one. Let's do another one. Which of these shapes down here are found at the drawing at the top of the page?
E. H. G.
Mm-hmm.
A.
Okay.
Can I take the answer?
Yeah.
B.
Okay. Very good. Now let's try another one. Which of these shapes down here are found at the drawing at the top of the page?
C. H. E.
Okay. Let's try another one. Which of the shapes down here are found in the drawing at the top of the page?
F. C. D. H.
Okay. All right, very good. And that concludes our test. Thank you.